We've got a great video coming up. We've done a lot of research this month and decided on different tools to buy that we wanted to show y'all. Come on in, join me, and let's check them out. So as you can see here, I've got a few tools in front of me, but I've also got some on the side. I'll show y'all those in a minute, but we're going to go through these kind of quick, just get an overview, because we'll be doing a deeper dive on each of these later on this month, maybe early next month. First of all up, we got these Capri ratchets. I bought this 3-piece set, comfort handles, very nice set. We also got a 3-piece set of Tekton. I am looking forward to doing a comparison on these, but I love these ratchets and look forward to showing them to you. My 1/2-inch drawer is in a bit of a mess, so I decided I'd get me something a little different than what I've been using, and we're going to check these out and see if it helps me unmess that those.
Today, Junior?
See if it's going to help me unmess that 1/2-inch socket drawer. Also got this Work Sharp. Man, I am a bit of a sucker for tools, period, but I end up wanting to try any sharpener, knife sharpener on the market. Let's come on over here and I'll show you some more of the stuff I got. I've got an OEM Tools brake fluid tester, test .3, 4, and 5.1, but I also got some test strips as well. So we're not only going to be talking about these, but we're going to be doing a video on how to check your brake fluid. Here's some of the other Tekton ratchets. I've got some locking extensions from Tekton. I got some hex, no, these ain't hex. These are torque screwdrivers. Tekton bolt cutters. We're going to see how those perform. This is a nice little 1/4-inch socket tray from Capri. It's actually made by Westling. These things are sweet. Door handle tool. And so this right here, except for that, this little pile of tools right here, I got all these from Advance Auto. Paid a pretty good price for them. We're going to talk about that in a video. Also got these magnetic trays. It's a 4-pack, different colors. We're going to look at them and see if they're worth a flip. And on Jeff's Garage, he talked about these Work Pro, what are they? Wrench holders. And man, I like them, so I had to get them. I don't know if we'll talk about that, but I will direct you over to his channel so you can look at it. So I've got a lot in store for you this month. Just a little more information. The Capri, with those, I went and bought a grab bag, and it was like $4 because I bought a certain amount of tools. And this come in the grab bag. So that was a nice little deal. The Tekton, this was on clearance. These bolt cutters were on clearance. So you might want to head over there and grab you a pair of those. And what is it? These, I think this is over, but these torque screwdrivers, they were on clearance too. Actually, if you bought a certain amount of tools, you got these for free. So it was a pretty good deal. Sorry I didn't get that to you sooner. Another thing we're going to do is I have got these rib nuts. They're pretty nice. These are 1/4-inch, and I've got a Astro Pneumatic rib nut gun, a little bitty drill operated gun. And we're going to do a few things and talk about good uses for them. And what else? I think that's about it. I have got some more videos to show you. I've been doing some research and making things magnetic for you. And as soon as all that comes out, I'll put it up there for you. Man, that's my other camera, I don't know. Having trouble with the, what is it? My doggone, having trouble with my memory card. It hasn't given me this trouble any time, but now it's saying it's not good enough to capture the video at the speeds I'm wanting. I don't know, hadn't had that problem before now. I think something went wrong in it, but it is what it is. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all take care of each other and have a blessed week.